Let's see question number 9 of applications of trigonometry from exercise 12.1 again, right? We have 10 questions. This is ninth question. I'm just going to share. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters. See, height of observer is given as 1.8 meters, right? Height of observer is given as 1.8 meters, and he is standing 13.2 meters away from palm tree. Palm tree is located at a distance of at a distance of 13.2 meters from the from a palm tree. So he is standing 13.2 meters away from palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes. So he is looking, because of course anyways eyes and head are almost very close. I mean, so close, they are very close, so both can be taken as approximately same, right? So eyes is 45 degrees, angle is given as 40 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? This is the question, right? Simple question. If you understand this, you can solve this very simple. So let me draw the figure to understand. Let me draw a palm tree first. Let's say this is a palm tree. So this is a tree here. This is a palm tree. And this palm tree is located at a distance 13.2 meters away from the observer. Let's say here observer is standing. Observer is standing at a distance of 13.2 meters. Let me draw here so that it is visible, I think. So this is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. So assume that this palm tree is vertical. So this is vertical. So let me draw a straight line like this, and which is making an angle 90 degrees with the ground. So this is ground. Observer is also making an angle 90 degrees with the ground, right? So observer's eye, let's say observer's eye, from observer's eye, when he is looking at the top of the palm tree, which makes an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal line. So this is the top of the palm tree, and here this angle is given as 45 degrees. Now if I extend this line, dotted line, and what is the height of the observer given? This height of the observer is given as, let me write HO, height of the observer, which is nothing but 1.8 meters, right? Is asking, I think, height of palm tree. This total height, let me take this as HP. HP stands for height of palm tree. This height will be. So anyways, if you look at this, see this dotted line and the ground, how are these two? These two are parallel. So what is this distance when the observer is standing 13.2 meters away from the palm tree, right? So as he is vertical to the ground or base, so this dotted line is also at a distance of 13.2 meters from the palm tree. So this distance is also 13.2 meters away from the palm tree, right? So angle we know, that is 45 degrees. To this 45 degrees, opposite side is this length up to dotted line only. So what is this height? What is this height? See, if you look at this height of the observer, which is nothing but 1.8 meters, the same height here I can take. This is also 1.8 meters. This height is also equal to 1.8 meters, right? So I think this is visible. So this is also 1.8 meters. This is also 1.8 meters, right? So here you need to find out the total height of the tree. In total height of the tree, we know a portion of height of the tree, which is 1.8 meters, which is equal to height of the observer, 1.8 meters. So if you find out the remaining height, what should be the remaining height then? This 1.8 meters is nothing but height of observer, right? So what should be the remaining height? What should be the remaining height from here to here? This should be HP minus H naught. HP minus H naught. That is height of palm tree minus height of observer. Okay, let me put the point so that it is easy to understand. So let me take this A as foot of the observer, B as eyes of the observer, right, and foot of the palm tree, let me take this as C, and top of the point palm tree I'll take as point D, and here let me locate this point as E. Here if you look at this diagram, AB is equal to CE. AB is equal to CE because this forms what? This forms a rectangle. This forms a rectangle. As you know, the opposite sides of a rectangle are same. So that is the reason, if this is, if height of the observer is 1.8 meters, the opposite side is also equal to 1.8 meters. And look at these two sides. As the observer is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree, this dotted line also becomes 13.2 because it is a rectangle. So in rectangle, opposite sides are same. So this is also equal to 13.2 meters. So in this way, now you know this angle 45 degrees. To this 45 degrees, 13.2 meters is the adjacent side, and HP minus H naught is nothing but opposite side. So you know the value of H naught, right? H naught is nothing but 1.8 meters. So I can write this HP minus H naught as HP, that is height of palm tree, minus 1.8, because H naught is given in the problem, 1.8. Right. Now when you know the adjacent side to this angle and also the opposite side, anyways some portion we know, right? So can we find out using tan? Let us see. So let us apply tan 45 because angle is given as 45 degrees. Let me write here. So tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite side. Opposite side to this angle theta is HP minus 1.8. HP minus 1.8 divided by adjacent side is 13.2. So 13.2 I have written. So this is 13.2 adjacent side to this angle 45 degrees. Now what is value of sine tan 45? Tan 45 is equal to 1. So let me erase this portion, right, and let me complete this solution for this. So here tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to height of palm tree minus 1.8 upon 13.2. If I cross multiply, I will get, this 1 is nothing but what? 1 upon 1. If I cross multiply like this, so what I'll get is HP minus 1.8 into 1 is HP minus 1.8 only, is equal to 13.2 into 1 is 13.2, right, which implies height of palm tree is equal to, you take this minus 1.8 towards right side, you will get 13.2 plus 1.8, which comes out to be 2 plus 8 10, 1 plus 13 14 plus 1 15. So 15 meters is the height of palm tree. So this completes 9th question, right? We have one more question left. We'll just try to finish off today itself. Thank you all.